Hi guys, so today's August 19. I went to Tuesday morning. I found this recipe book. It's really cheap, so it's really well made, so you can tell. And it got dividers, and then it got recipe cards, and they got a bunch of them too. Don't know how many, but a bunch. Original was $20. Now it's $4. And they have different kind, but I actually like this one better. It's 3 ring, and you can easily get some refill pages. So this is good for yourself or for gift. And then I also found this was $2.99 for four pieces, 2 pairs, and 20% off, so $1 something for 2 pair. I don't think that's not a bad price, and it's pretty thick as well. It's good for gardening. And then the paper pad again from Memory Keepers is $3.49, 48 pages, and it's actually pretty thick. It's like 85 pounds maybe. I was looking for something more masculine type of paper, and it's good for your dad, boyfriend, or husband. So I think this paper is pretty good. It's very unisex, so a little bit rancho, kind of distressed rancho. So I think this is perfect, for men, like car or book, whatever you think you want to make. So and also $3.49. I was looking for the from Team Hall. There was a distress paper I bought last time. I saw it later. It was like $4.99. I'm actually used some of them, so I was thinking maybe I'll go back to buy some more. But I didn't see it today. They actually run out a lot of $4.99 paper pack in Tuesday morning. So there's 2 of them for $3.49. This is. It's like camera. There's another one have a plane on it. It's more like travel, but I think I like this one better. And then there's a few $4.99, mostly $6.99 now. So they haven't got more. Probably check next time. All right. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and leave your comments and suggestions. Have a good day.